So suppose I want to graph this equation. Graph this equation, y equal to minus 2x plus 3. What does it mean, graph this equation? It means graph all the possible solutions to the best of your ability. Okay? Every solution is a point, ordered pair. Okay? And if you put all these points together, it will be a curve. If you put all these points together, it will be a curve. Again, let us remember what was the solutions for this. So it's two steps here. You have to find the solutions first, and then you plot them. How do I find the solutions? We did this before, right? When x is 0, imagine you're putting 0 here, y will be what? 3. Okay? When you put x equal to 1 here, it will be 1. When you put x equal to minus 1, for example, or 2, let's just make it 2 for now. When you put x equal to 2 here, okay, then 2 times minus 2 will give you minus 4. Minus 4 and 3 will give you minus 1. Okay, that's it. So I have now three ordered pairs. If you plot them together, 0 and 3, 1 and 1, 2 and minus 1, then you can have an idea how does a curve look like. Okay, let's put 0 and 3, 1 and 1, 2 and minus 1. Here is the Cartesian coordinate system. 0 and 3, you stay here in the middle, and you go up 3. So x, no motion, right or left, but up, y is 3. Imagine this is the value of x, and this is the value of y. So you stay here, and you go up 3 steps. This is the point of the first solution. Now let us do the second point, 1 and 1. Where is 1 and 1? Yeah, on the right, one step, right? Okay, here, and then also up one step, so you come here, so that's it. That is 1 and 1. This is the second point. And then finally, 2 and minus 1. 2 is here, minus 1 you go down one step, right? So 2 is here in the x, and minus 1 you go down one step, so that's almost where this point is. So I got 3 points. Okay, so I got 3 solutions, 3 ordered pairs, and I plot each one of these solutions. The question now is, how many solutions do we actually have? Unlimited number of solutions. So there are actually so many points here that just we didn't calculate, but we expect all these points to be here. So how do we graph all these points? We really becomes a straight line. So we have to connect in this case. If I want you to graph a line, if I want to graph an equation, okay, you have an equal sign, this equation in 2 variables, you expect it will be a curve, connected curve like this. Okay, and you expect it's going to be connected, it's extended in this side and in this side forever, because I have, unlimited number of solutions in both directions. So this is how do I graph this equation. This is how I graph this equation. Yeah, very easy. All what you have to do is calculate some points and then plot them, and then you connect. But if I ask you to graph only the 3 points, you don't connect. You only do this point, this point, this point, and you stop. 3 points, that's it. But the 3 points are only examples of the equation. I don't want the 3 points. I want the equation, the whole equation. And the whole equation has a lot of solutions. So you have to connect to show me that it has a lot of solutions. Clear the difference between graphing this equation and graphing only points? Is that clear? If I ask you to graph points, you only put the points. But if I ask you to graph equation, you have to connect them. You have to connect them.